Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm happy to see you all. Thank you for coming to this presentation. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Pratama. You can call me Dika. Um, I'm from Office Administration Program in Politeknik Muhammadiyah, Magelang. On this occasion, I will make a presentation on increasing the existence of young administrator to face the era suppression during the pandemic. Yes. Currently, the world is a paying test for the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has made us faced with a cross situation that has an impact on every life, starting from the education sector, um, health, employment, politics, and so on. Yes. Therefore, we as young administration must be able to take over from the situation. Now that technology is developing rapidly, we as young administration must be able uh, to use so much as possible. Yes. And the next, the role of young administration in the current era of disruption. The young administrations must be able to adapt and master technology because it is an important component in today's era. Yes. In the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, various activities that were previously carried out talked face to face have now been changed by utilizing digital media that has developed, such as utilizing various applications such as social media by utilizing the internet network in the form of WhatsApp, Google Meet, Zoom Meet, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Yes, so that we can continue then and carry out various activities that previously we are still running before the COVID-19 pandemic. Yes. Um, and the next tips for young administrators to increase their existence in the era of disruption. Yes. Number one, improving the quality of human resource. Uh, Human resource should be encouraged to continue to learn and improve their knowledge of the technology because it is the workforce who is able to apply and technology control that is able to keep moving forwards. Yes. And the next, number two, innovative. Utilizing, sorry, having a different way of thinking so as to be able to make new dictates or adjustment to the business to be more in line with the era of disruption. Yes. And number three, utilizing technology. Utilizing application on our smartphone to support work in the current digitalization era of the face the era of disruption. Yes. And the next number four, prepare the change. Yes. Change the mindset and have the awareness to be faster in accepting the change because the effect of the disruption can change every time, including organization culture in carrying out business process. Yes. And the next, the importance of implementing application in the administration process. Young administrators are expected to be able to use the application because it makes things efficient. Yes. Um, so administrators must use technological sophistication in the serving the community. Yes. And next, some advantages of digital administration application. And one, it can be used accessed by mobile or application Mobile mail access handling in incoming and outgoing mail can be done anywhere and anytime. Yes. And number two, as features that can be tailored to the needs of the company. Yes. Um, an application must be able for answer the problem of must be able companies and office. Therefore, the features that are on must be able to suit their need properly. Yes. The three, easy to record. This makes it easy for the companies to record and handle incoming and outgoing data, and also makes it easier to categorize the types of the data obtained. Yes. Number four, data reporting and data storage is done centrally. Yes. The data obtained by the company will be stored securely and centrally, making it easier to find files and reduce the potential for loss. Yes. Number five, mail delivery is done automatically. Delivery is done automatically, so as to save times and cost and can resolve virus delivery companies in a short time. Yes. And next in is easier monitoring. Monitoring can also is digital application so that the secretary can easily monitor letters. Yes. And the next conclusion. Advance in technology make administrative matters must be changed to be sophisticated in order to facilitate service. The role of young administrators in the era of globalization is needed to increase their existency in the current era of disruption. Yes. Um, an administrator must have a hard skill and soft skill to face the area of digitalization disruption. Example of hard skill are fast typing, accounting, web design, programming, and so on. While soft skill, for example, work attitude, um, can adapt to other people, work together in a team, have the spirit of leader. An administrator is expected to be able to master and understand the technology in the digitalization era to continue living during the pandemic. Yes. Therefore, we as young administrators must be able to maintain a good attitude, be responsible, professional at work, and be able to adapt to the current digitalization era. And now, thank you. And that is a presentation for me. Hopefully, I will be useful for all of you. And also, if there are words and that are not listening to me, I apologize as much as possible. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.